Alright, let's draw nice roses in few steps. You can see I'm drawing a line here. Then another curved line just coming like this one. And draw something like a funnel at the bottom. And here you can highlight one part here. And this line is coming up to the end. Another one just like the, for the leaves here. Another one you can draw for the leaves too. And another flower you can draw here. So there are two flowers in the same branch. Awesome. Then draw something like S and connection of petal here, and also drawing a funnel at the bottom. Okay, so graphical symbol actually looks good. I'm going to zoom out the canvas a little bit. Then it's clearly visible. You can see the other parts of the leaf here. Okay. Awesome. So it's all about, few curved lines and the graphical symbols. So looks good. Now, if you like, you can put more colors, and we're going to add colors obviously. So usually, the roses looks like the red color. So we're going to put the red color in some parts, and we're using the crayons here. You can see the crayons on the left side. We're just highlighting some colors. Okay, so usually we put the colors on the curvy part just to show the outlooks of the shades and shadow, so that it does looks good. Also putting the colors on the other curvy parts of the flower. Okay, you can see the red color making the flowers looks good, and bottom parts has a more shades, more deep dark colors. So that's why we're putting the color more in the bottom. And for the leaves, you can see putting the green color everywhere. Here's the green color, and also color going with the sticks here. Awesome. So we're using some fingertips to merge the color within the petals and showing the smooth transitions from red to the white color pattern, and flower just looks real, almost real. Okay, sometimes you can also use the blending stump, but if you don't have the stump, don't worry, it's totally fine. Just use the fingertips and try to mix it up like I'm doing right now, and the drawing getting very smooth and looks nice. So this is the rose flower, very simple, easy, and you can do practice at home. I can show you, and you can see looks very nice and very easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.